Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the Rhino does in Great Garden. To obtain it, you'll need to get the Safari egg and you'll have an 8.5% chance of getting it. Its passive traits is that every 14 minutes it charges into a random egg or random fruit, rammed eggs get hatch time halved, and rammed plants get the mirage mutation. As you can see, one of the eggs is ready to hatch, and one of them, like one of the hatching times is like halved, the other one, this one here, and that's because the Rhino rammed into it. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!